tioLogic TWINFIT, one implant with two different connector geometries. The revolutionary implant system tioLogic TWINFIT from Dentaurum is the first and only implant system in the world to provide two different prosthetic connections in one implant. The abutment switch offers maximum flexibility in prosthetic restorations. The abutment switch gives you a choice between a conical and a platform connector geometry. Users gain maximum flexibility in prosthetic restorations throughout the entire life cycle of the implant, from insertion to the final restoration, and in situations that change as the patient grows older. The depth stop system also guarantees a very high degree of safety in processing and uses clear, diameter-related color coding for this purpose. The corresponding sleeves are sterile in the packaging and are included with every implant. All parts of the system are optimized for both analog and digital workflow. tioLogic TWINFIT. Safe, efficient, flexible. tioLogic TWINFIT, the implant system from Dentaurum with the innovated abutment switch. Two connector geometries, conical and platform.